Good morning, teachers. Good morning. Good morning. We are looking forward to the inauguration, which will take place on next week on the 20th. So in order for you all to be prepared for that, the media department has come up with a way for you all to be able to share the inauguration speech and other events that may be going on by using Safari Montage. And this video will help you to be able to access those items. The first thing I need you to do is to go to your login, and you're going to click on ClassLink. Once you click on ClassLink, you will see this screen, and you're going to locate Safari Montage. Now, Safari Montage, you're going to be able to find lots of different videos in here if you have never used it, if you have never accessed it. So play around in here. We have playlists that are available that I may put something together and it's in a playlist here. Or you can just go on and watch live television, which is going to be your channel guide, which is where we're going to go today. So click on channel guide. Your channel guide will then give you access to all of the shows that we have available to us at any time during the day. And what we're going to look for here is C-SPAN. C-SPAN, click on C-SPAN, and you will have a live showing of what C-SPAN actually has on right now. So click on the expand.
A discussion on presidential inaugural addresses.
And this is where you will be able to access all of the inaugurations that will take place on next week.
Former senior speechwriter for President Barack Obama, and John McConnell, former senior speechwriter for President George W. Bush.
If you have any additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. I will be able to come and assist you. But this is something that you will be able to project onto your boards in your classroom, as well as the students that will be watching online. This is Mrs. Hunter, your media specialist. Have a wonderful day. If you need me, let me know. I am here to assist you. Until that time, you all be safe. And please have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.